Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Strava incorrect distance. This problem usually happens if precise location access is not allowed. Without it, Strava can't track your pace, distance, or other important stats correctly. So, let's fix it step by step. Open the Strava app. When prompted, tap Allow for location access. Then select while using this app to enable precise location tracking. If you don't see the option in the app, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, scroll down and find Strava. Tap on Permissions. Make sure location is set to allow while using the app and turn on precise location. Also, check and allow body sensors permission. This helps Strava record activity data more accurately. Next, go back and tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache to remove old or corrupted data that might be causing issues. Once you've done that, reopen the Strava app. Your distance tracking should now be fixed and much more accurate. And that's it. That's how to fix Strava incorrect distance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.